how to make crypto passive income with Ethereum. Just by holding Ethereum, you could be earning additional interest on your holdings. It's kind of like having a stock and getting dividends. Now, this video is going to cover several different platforms where you can hold your ETH and earn interest, and that also includes Ethereum 2.0 staking. Now, Ethereum 2.0 staking, if you're new to crypto, that just means it's moving from the proof of work algorithm where it's running a bunch of machines to mine crypto and process these mathematical equations, and going to a proof of stake method to instead of running all these computers. So you need a bunch of coins to stake on these nodes to process these transactions. But we're gonna skip most of the technical stuff, and I'm just gonna walk you through the process of how to stake your coins for ETH 2.0 on Coinbase, Kucoin, and Binance. And then we're going to compare rates, and you can decide where you want to stake your ETH 2.0 or just hold your ETH for that additional interest. Because this is full value Dan, and I like lazy money. You just keep something there and then you earn interest, and that's all it takes to earn crypto passive income. You don't have to be a professional trader. You could just be there long term, waiting, holding. That works. That's been working out, but not financial advice. Risk what you can afford to lose, and you'll be more comfortable with these crazy price swings. With Ethereum, you can do some soft staking, which means you're going to be earning interest in your account by just having those coins in your account. There is no lockup time, technically, because with at least Kucoin and Binance, you could trade your Ethereum 2 for Ethereum, and then once you have your Ethereum, you can trade that for other coins, and you can get out of your investment. With Coinbase at the moment, at least depending on your region, once you trade your Ethereum for Ethereum 2, you're locked in, you're holding that Ethereum 2, you're earning interest on it, but you can't trade it until the Ethereum 2.0 network goes completely live, and that might be at the end of the year, that might be next year. Things can change in crypto, so you would be taking some risk by holding that ETH 2.0 on Coinbase because your funds might be completely locked up. Then there's other platforms like Voyager, Nexo, Celsius, and BlockFi that will give you interest for just holding those coins in your account. And each of them are different. They all have different rates, and some have minimums. Not all of them are great to trade on because you'll get killed in fees. So for the most part, it's not really worth it if you are expecting to make at least 6 trades a year. That would offset any interest you would have made. With that said, here is a list of places where you can earn interest on your Ethereum, the rates, and some of them have sign-up bonuses. I do have a referral link that helps me out. I would appreciate it if you use it. If not, it's cool. Just hit this video with a thumbs up and I'd still appreciate that. And I know this video is just about ETH 2.0 staking, but there's a lot of different coins you can stake. Some of them available on specific platforms or directly with that coin protocol. So if you want to stake your coin, look up the name of your coin plus staking and see if it's available and where you can stake it for that additional crypto passive income. That is one of my tips, but also be careful because there's a lot of scams out there, so you want to understand how that process works before jumping in. So I'm at coinbase.com/staking. And here we are. We're going to hit stake now. And let's go over the details before we make this commitment. You're about to stake your Ethereum to get Ethereum 2. Earn up to 5% APR. Your ETH 2 will earn up to 5% APR in staking rewards in exchange for helping secure the network. Proof of stake. Ethereum is moving from proof of work to proof of stake, where you have to stake your funds and you get rewarded for doing that. So you don't have to mine crypto, you just have to own it. And that's the easiest way to make passive income with cryptocurrency. Trade and transfer restrictions. After staking, you'll temporarily be unable to sell or send your ETH2 until we enable a way to trade ETH2. That could be by the end of the year, could be next year. So if you're holding long term, it would make more sense to begin staking it. And obviously there are some risks. So here we go, staking risks. Your staked ETH may be lost due to events such as a validator or protocol failure. While these events are unlikely to occur, please read our user terms or ETH staking carefully before proceeding. So when you stake your ETH, the ETH goes to a validator. That validator has all the ETH and then validates the transactions. The more ETH that validator has, the more credibility it has. So there is risks, even though it's unlikely. Coinbase will not be responsible if any of your funds are lost due to a bad validator. Now, it's very unlikely to happen, but they want to cover their bases because crypto is still new and maybe there's a vulnerability that has yet to be discovered. So I'm okay with these risks. I understand it. I'm only going to do a little bit. I'm not going to over invest into ETH2. I still want like a secure amount of ETH that is safe and doesn't touch anything else in the world. So I will stake a little bit of ETH2 to show you how to do it, and we're gonna earn some crypto passive income. I understand. Now we have to trade our Ethereum from ETH1, or just regular Ethereum, to Ethereum 2. And you can toggle between US dollars and ETH. I'm going to stake 1 ETH. And now it's going to trade my Ethereum for Ethereum 2. And there is no way to transfer back to that. But if we have Ethereum 2, we can earn those staking rewards. So if you're aware of the risks and you know that you can't turn it back to ETH1 at the moment and you're just okay with long-term holding, we can continue. All right, preview stake, staking reward 5%, and then the fine print. ETH2 can't be unstaked, sold, or sent until the ETH2 network is fully launches or trading is otherwise offered. By selecting Stake Now below, you are agreeing to the terms for ETH staking. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Stake now. Your order was submitted. We will send you an email when your order status updates. So pretty much I made a trade, a 1-to-1. ETH 2.0 earns me interest and I should be earning immediately. Now Ethereum has an interest rate of 5% APR. That's the rewards you're gonna get over the course of a year. And if you reinvest those rewards you get throughout the year, that turns into APY. So the more often you redeem your rewards and reinvest them into your initial investment or principal, you would get APY. Now that we've staked our ETH, let's find it. So from the home page, we are in our dashboard and you have a lot of things here, but we want to go directly to your portfolio. So let's look at that portfolio. And then we're going to scroll down to Ethereum 2. We have it down here. Select that and it shows our Ethereum 2 balance. Now I just converted it. I had no ETH staked on Coinbase because it's actually pretty difficult to find, but I've set it up so I can start earning rewards. I'm not staking all of my ETH, but I'm gonna stake a little bit because I want to earn interest. Now, you're not gonna get the best rate on Coinbase, so that's why I'm not gonna do it entirely on Coinbase. We're gonna get into that a little later in this video, but you can see I just staked my ETH and the rewards are there. The rewards update in real time. You leave this page open, you're gonna see this number go up. And that is how you make crypto passive income with Ethereum 2 staking. This video has been brought to you by me, Dan, and I have a Discord now if you'd like to join and just talk about crypto, finance. I think it's just a better platform than Reddit since you're there, it's easier to chat and have conversations. A lot of people message me, so I try to answer people, but it could be information other people might need, and it's best to share all this type of information because that helps everybody. So if you're interested, there is a link to the Discord in the description. How to earn interest on your Ethereum with Kucoin. We're gonna walk you through that entire process, and you're gonna need a Kucoin account. If you don't already have one, I do have a referral link. I would appreciate it if you used it. If you don't, it's cool. You're here anyway. Let's walk through this together and get you that full value. Now, if you don't know how to use Kucoin, there will be another link in the description or at the end of this video that will guide you through that entire process because I did like a 40-minute video on how it works. And with Kucoin, you can only fund it with crypto. For most people, you can't connect your bank account. If you're from the US, there's no KYC, so you can use it. That means you don't have to go through the verification process of sending your identification and taxes. On the Kucoin app, if you don't have Ethereum or any assets in there, you're going to want to deposit some funds into your Kucoin account. If you already have Ethereum and you deposit it there, it's going to end up in your main account. But we're going to need that Ethereum in your trading account. So I am in my trading account and we do have some Ethereum here. We have 1. And there's no minimum, so you can earn interest on 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. As long as you have some Ethereum and get Ethereum 2, you can earn interest. And this goes for many different platforms. So to start earning interest, we're going to need to convert our ETH to ETH 2.0. And from the homepage of the app, if we go to staking at the top right here, and at the center of the screen here, ETH 2.0. We can start staking our ETH 2.0, but we're going to need to convert our ETH 1.0 to 2.0. And if you want to know what the current interest rate, you just go to My Rewards. You can see that's how much ETH I have staked with them at the moment. We're going to add some more, and we're going to hit reference APR. We're getting 5.56%. and an additional 1.24% in APR for having POL. That's proof of liquidity for ETH 2.0 on the Kucoin platform. The staking might sound a little confusing, but in the end, you'll be getting an average of 6.8%, and at least that's what it is at the moment. It may change by the time you see this video, but overall the rate is very generous compared to the rest of the market. Now, what's really cool about ETH 2.0 is that it's a tradable asset on Kucoin. So there's ETH and there's ETH 2.0. And instead of converting directly from ETH to ETH 2.0, we're going to trade it. We're not going to convert, we're going to trade. Because if we go back to the previous menu and hit Start ETH 2.0 staking, we would be converting our ETH1 to ETH 2.0. That's a one-to-one trade. We do not want that because we can get a better deal for full value. It always hurts me to say it because it's kind of cheesy because that's the channel name, but yes, we are going to get full value on this trade. So we're going to skip this step completely and just directly get ETH 2.0 from trading because we don't want one-to-one. We don't want our 1 Ethereum to turn into 1 ETH 2.0. We want a better deal than that. So we're going to go back to the home page and we're going to go to trade and we're going to look for ETH2. This is the trading pair for ETH and ETH2. As you can see, it is a 1 to 0.9592 difference. So that's a little more than 4% off the market rate. So our 1 Ethereum can turn into a little more than 1 ETH 2.0. And that's a great deal for us because we're getting better than the one-to-one rate. We're getting full value, and yeah, you can hit that like button because it hurts me to throw in those cheesy words. And here we go, we're gonna set our price to 0.9588. It's the lowest price available, and we're gonna buy ETH 2.0 using ETH. So this is the trading pair. You can go back and forth because at the moment you can't really cash in ETH 2.0, but you can trade it because it's a tradable asset on Kucoin and it's also tradable on Binance. Not available in Coinbase for many regions, at least not for me, but we're gonna get a good deal here. So we're gonna trade our 1 Ethereum for some ETH 2.0. Gonna hit buy ETH2. I've set the trade, the order is open, and I have filled a very small amount. The trading volume for ETH to ETH 2.0 is pretty low, so I'm just gonna market buy it. So I market bought ETH at 95.97, still 4% off the market rate. So I got already a 4% gain, but that's considering if I'm gonna hold long term. Now, if we look at the chart here, we can see that the rate for ETH 2.0 to ETH has been dropping, and that's just because people initially traded their ETH at one-to-one, but they ended up not wanting to hold long term and found different opportunities. So they are trading their ETH2 for whatever ETH they can have so their funds can be more liquid. And that's up to you. If you are a long-term ETH holder and you don't want to worry about trading, just holding onto ETH2 on Kucoin is going to earn you some interest. Now that we bought our ETH 2.0, it's going to be sitting in our account. It's going to be in our trading account, and then we scroll down to ETH 2.0 and it's right there. We have 1.04. We got that 4% gain and we want to stake our ETH. How do we do that with Kucoin? We're already doing it. As long as we have that ETH2 sitting in our account, we're going to be earning some interest. So we're going to go to home, we're going to go to staking, ETH 2.0 in the center, my rewards, and you can see that I have 1.75 ETH 2.0 available in my account, earning that 6.8% APR. I have a little bit of that ETH 2.0 sitting in another wallet, but this is the compilation of the entire amount of ETH 2.0 sitting in my Kucoin account. And at the bottom here, you can see our daily rewards, how much interest we've been earning each day. So we're earning some ETH2 and some POL, P-O-L, proof of liquidity. That is just additional interest and a little bonus for us for staking our ETH2 on Kucoin. How to stake your Ethereum on Binance. So it works just like on Kucoin. You need to trade your ETH2 for ETH for that deal. So right now I have 0.1 Ethereum sitting in my Binance account, and we're going to trade that for Ethereum 2. So I'm going to go to trade, and we're going to want to look for BETH. ETH 2.0 is known as Beacon Ethereum or BETH on Binance. So to find that, just type in Beth ETH. And then we are in the BETH trading pair. And as you can see, we do have that premium there where there is a 4.37% price difference from 1 to 1. So we are getting full value for our money, and we can make that trade. So I have 0.01191 ETH available, and I'm going to buy some BETH. Buy ETH. The trade has been successful, and now in my account we have some BETH, and I have 0.0124. So I did a lot better than that 1-to-1 trade, because if you just went to the homepage, you went to more, you go to ETH 2.0, you'd be able to trade your Ethereum at a 1-to-1 rate for Ethereum 2.0. We got a better deal on that by using the trade function. Now that we have ETH 2.0 sitting in our account, it just has to sit there. It could sit in any of the different wallets, and it would be earning us interest daily. Also, you should look up if your coin can be staked. That means you would get rewards for staking that coin. And if you are staking that coin directly with the network, typically there is a hold time. It might be 2 weeks to unstake, and just understand that before starting that process. But you get more of those coins. If that's a coin you're invested in, you want to see it grow, and you want to help out that network, you can stake your coins for additional passive income. Different shirt Dan here, recapping what happened. So Coinbase, you can stake your ETH2. It gets locked up, so you won't be able to use those funds. You won't be able to sell until ETH 2.0 launches. If you need that money, don't do it, because you won't be able to get it out. Now, there is Kucoin. That is my personal preference because of the higher interest rate. And then there's also Binance.com, but you can't be a US citizen and use Binance.com. You would have to use Binance.us. And that doesn't have ETH 2.0 staking. And in the description of the video, I'm going to have a link to this Airtable, and it's going to show you all the different rates as of September 9. And you can see the highest rate for ETH 2.0 is on Kucoin. So you would be getting 6.8% back. There isn't a sign-up bonus, but there is for some of these other platforms if you'd like to use them. Kucoin is my personal preference for staking ETH 2.0, and we also learned you can get more ETH2 by trading for your Ethereum rather than doing a conversion of 1-to-1 where you directly convert your Ethereum to Ethereum 2. Don't do that. That is not going to give you full value. You would want to trade for ETH2 using Ethereum on Kucoin or Binance. And in the Airtable that I provided, it's going to show you all the different rates, the sign-up bonus. You can sign up using my referral link. I would appreciate that. And a review or tutorial for the platform so you know how to use it. Also, for a little comment engagement on my videos, let me know in the comments what coins you are staking and why. I might want to look into it, and maybe I'll make a video for it. So with that, I hope you got your full value for today.